If you're looking to create a contact form in Practice Better, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up a contact form to streamline communication with your clients. Whether you're offering services or just need an easy way for clients to reach you, this feature can make a big difference. Stick around until the end because I'll also share some alternatives that might work even better for your needs. Let's dive right into it. First things first, when you're logged into your Practice Better account, head to the Forms section, which you'll find in the main menu under the Settings tab. This is where you'll manage everything related to forms, including creating and editing them. Next, once you're in the Forms section, click on Create New Form. You'll have a few options, but for a contact form, you'll want to select the Contact Form template. This template gives you all the basic fields you need to start, but we'll customize it a little further to match your needs. Now, let's move on to customizing the fields. You'll see that Practice Better provides a variety of standard fields like name, email, phone number, and message. You can easily add more fields by clicking Add Field at the top. This is where you can get creative. For example, if you want to collect additional information like the client's preferred method of contact or the best time to reach them, simply add a custom question field and choose the format, whether it's a text box, drop-down, or multiple choice. Next thing, let's talk about the form design. You can adjust the layout, make text bold, and even add a short description or instructions above your fields. While Practice Better's form customization is pretty basic, it's good enough for most practitioners. However, if you're looking for more advanced styling options, you might find the design features a bit limiting. After you've set up your fields and designed your form, it's time to move on to the important part, where you want your form submissions to go. In the settings for the contact form, you can choose an email address where submissions will be sent. Practice Better also lets you manage which team members receive notifications, so you can be sure the right people are in the loop when a form is filled out. The fourth thing, make sure to test your form. Before you start using it with clients, it's crucial to test how it works. Fill out your form yourself, submit it, and check if the email notifications are being sent properly. This helps you ensure everything is functioning as it should. Lastly, Practice Better gives you the option to embed your form on your website. This is ideal for business owners or practitioners who want a more seamless integration. You can generate an embed code directly from the form settings, which you can then paste into your website's HTML or use a plugin if you're on a platform like WordPress. Now, while Practice Better does a decent job of offering basic form creation, it's worth noting that there are some limitations in terms of customization and flexibility. If you're looking for something with more design options or advanced functionality, I've got a recommendation for you at the end of this video. To wrap things up, Practice Better is great for basic contact forms, but if you're looking for more customization or better integrations with other tools, you might want to consider some alternatives. I've included links to those with extended free trials available exclusively to you as a viewer. Make sure to check the link in the description for the best free trial options, including a special deal that's only available here. Don't miss out on these exclusive benefits and try out the alternatives that might work even better for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.